Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. I beg to all of you to like and subscribe on my channel, because your support is the best to grow up this channel. Back to topics. So, Huawei subsidiary Honor launched the Honor Play gaming phone in China on Wednesday. Although the Honor Play doesn't shine from a pure hardware perspective, when you compare it with other dedicated gaming phones like the Asus ROG Phone and Xiaomi's Black Shark, it packs in a couple of technologies that are in-house Honor and set to boost gaming experiences substantially over rivals. The Honor Play is also the first phone in the world that is capable of doing 4D gaming, among other things. Honor is particularly touting its GPU turbo technology that's said to be a graphics processing acceleration technology achieved through hardware and software integration, resulting in smoother and faster mobile gaming experience. Games will apparently play with up to 60% more graphics processing efficiency while consuming up to 30% less energy thanks to GPU turbo, claims Honor, adding that the technology will allow even standard games to render in HDR. We are thrilled to achieve this technology breakthrough as Honor has strived to provide the best user experience to our global customers, George Zhao, president of Honor, said. With this GPR turbo, we are confident that we can highly improve our market advantages by significantly enhancing our graphics processing efficiency and offering the impeccable mobile experience. GPU turbo will benefit mobile games that demand high graphics processing efficiency, according to Honor, and the Honor Play will be the first phone to get it out of the box. But it won't be the last. Honor will be rolling out the technology to existing phones like the Honor 10, Honor View 10, Honor 9 Lite and Honor 7X via a software update in the days to come. But coming to the Honor Play, it is also the first phone in the world to support 4D gaming, meaning that it can apparently detect a number of gaming scenes including shots, explosions, and quakes. Also, the phone supports 3D sound, so gamers will be able to locate specific areas in the game such as the angle of firing. Thanks for watching, so always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's like, subscribe, and share my friends, cause you all the best.